welcome back. It's me AsiYA and you're watching AsiYA SaVaD Vlogs. So it's a travel vlog today, and can you guess where we are going? We are going to Love Lake. It's in Dubai itself, so we are just going on. So let's see you on the way. And by the way, I hope you would like this video very well. If you like the video, please do like, share and comment, and also subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so that you guys would be notified whenever I post new videos like this. Dome-shaped thing is the Dubai Outlet Mall. Hi guys, so we are just on the way to the Love Lake. So we are just moving on. So see you guys in the entrance. I hope this is an archaeological site. I hope you guys can see the areas. It's very beautiful to see on the way. It's so long to reach there, but still it looks very amazing. Beautiful areas with green farms and some desert areas. On the Kudra street, so that side again we have to just move on. There is Kudra Lake, and after that only the Love Lake is situated, so we just moving on again. So there is bike racing going on, some bike buggy or something. So here and there we can see some small trees. So finally we just reached the Flamingo Lake. So again we have just 3 to 4 kilometers to Love Lake. So can you guys see the birds, the flamingos sitting on there, the swan type things? It's so beautiful and amazing to see. Hi guys, so we have reached the Flamingo Lake. So here we can just see some flamingos, some swans, their small cygnet. It's very amazing to see. So let's see. have seen some little swans and the mother swan. They are so good and they are moving so fast. Their speed is wordless. So now we are just moving on to the Love Lake. So we just came across to take some videos and clips of those flamingos and those swans. So now finally we are just moving on to the Love Lake side. So see you guys in the Love Lake. Bye. So can you guys see under the water the small fishes over there? I'm not able to see that this fishes so visibly. So I don't think you guys can see it so visible, but still some silver fishes are being visible here and there, right? So we have stopped in specific some spots because there's some spots, the birds and some fishes there. So we are just moving on again to Love Lake, and it's very amazing. The moon and all shining so bright, and one side the moon and the other side the sun is setting, and those views are very beautiful to see. So finally reached in the Love Lake, so we'll just see the symbol there. So we are in front of the symbol, and again we are just moving on. So we just entered into the entrance part of the Love Lake and moving on again. So this is the fish part. So it's very beautiful, so big, the orange color fishes, and it's scaring me actually. He's trying to come into the shore, I guess, and it's making me scared so wildly. So it's so amazing, it's so good to see. It's like coming onto the shore. I think now it's clearly visible. That orange fish is so amazing. So I hope you guys can see the amazing fish. They are fishing, they are swimming so good, and some fishes are trying to come to the shore, and we are just taking the clips with the help of an extra flashlight because now it became so dark and we just came a bit late because it took a long journey to reach here. And the one, that unique fish, it looks so amazing, that one with the black strips, it's so good. So because of the flashlight, they are coming. They are thinking that food has been available here, but they have already informed us that no food should be given to them, and all are gathering here, and I think some are just going back because they understood that nothing is gonna get here. So I hope this video was a very good fun time for you because the fishes, the birds and everything was an amazing video, and this is a very good place for children because my brother was like going into the sea to catch the fish, and he was saying that the fish was showing some faces onto him. We are staying on Kudra Road and moving on to the Jabal Ali Lahbab Road, and see you guys from home. Bye. That's all for today, and until we see in the next video, bye bye.